These UGC videos look 100% realistic, but guess what? They're actually AI. Now, what's up YouTube? My name is Steven Omeje, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create realistic UGC videos using one single AI tool and my simple personal workflow. And just for context, UGC actually stands for user-generated content. And this is a process where brands pay influencers or content creators to create ad video for their products. Now, the problem is sometimes the process of creating this video take longer time, probably weeks or months. But right now, we can create good videos like that using AI. So the AI tool we're going to be using to create our video is called UGCVideo.ai. So right here in UGC video, as you can see, we have the UGC character, UGC ad video, UGC image, and UGC video. However, before we start creating, we're going to be using my simple workflow. Now, right here in my workflow, as you can see, this contains different steps that will guide us to how we can arrive at a quality video. Ensure you follow these steps properly so your video can come out well. Now, before I proceed, UGC AI automatically gives you 30 free credits upon sign up. So once you sign up, you get 30 free credits. And once you create your first image, your first video, or anything you create first, you get an extra 30 credits, which makes it 60 credits that you can use to create videos and images before you consider a pro plan. So the first thing we have on here is to create our AI influencer. So as you can see here, when we come to UGC AI, to create our influencer, we'll come under UGC character, which is the first step to creating our UGC video. So under here, we can try any of these options, but I'm just going to be going with describe your character. So under here, we can select different styles. So we're just going to go with photorealistic, and then we'll paste this prompt here. So right here, we can also select the model. I'm going to be going with Nano Banana Pro, and I like to do multiple variations, probably 2, 3, or even 4. And then we can then hit on create. However, I've already created my image. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do it. So when I created, these were the options I got, and this was my favorite. This was the one I used. However, I have other options here. As you can see, I have these options, but I went with this particular one. So the next thing we have to do is to move on to the step 2. So step 2 on our workflow says put the products in their hands. So right here, you have to have your product. So for me, this is my product. This is the product I'm going to be using. And it's also advisable that your product has a plain background. These are a plain background. Just ensure that the background is not too busy so the AI can be able to capture the products properly. So back here in UGC AI, what we have to do is to go over to UGC image. This is where we're going to put the products in our influencer's hand. And the first thing we need to do here is to add character. So from the list of images, you just have to select the character. So I'm going to select on this one. And then you can then add reference image. And then this is where you now upload your products. So as you can see here, I've uploaded my character and I've uploaded my products. There's another option here, which is to add scenario templates. These are different scenarios for pro, for body, and social. So if this matches anything you want to create, you can select on any of these, but I don't want to do anything related to these ones. And then you can also select the model here. I'm just going to be going with Nano Banana Pro as usual. And then we'll paste these prompts. So as you can see, this prompt already explains what she's going to do. Same thing here, you can do multiple variations and you can also select the aspect ratio and select the resolution as well. So these are some of the results I got from that. As you can see here, we have her holding the product. This one, she's actually rubbing it. So I actually went with this particular option. This is the option I like. And this is the one I went with. So we'll move on to the next step. So step 3 here says test different background. So we're just going to try to see if we can get, different background, maybe an outdoor background, and see if that would work better. So to test different background, we have to take out these two images, and then you have to ensure that you download this particular picture, which is the your selection that has her holding the product. You have to download that, and then we'll add it here. So now we have pasted the image that has her holding the product, and then we'll paste in these prompts, and then click on generate. So these are the options we got, having her in different background. However, I still prefer the main one, which is this particular image. So the next step here is to turn it into a video, and this is where we're going to create our UGC AI video. And then we have to copy the prompt. So to turn it into a video, we have to use UGC video. So we'll come here and paste in our prompt. So from the guide, you can see that the prompt contains all these details, and it also carries a dialogue of what the character is going to say. So from here, same thing, we're going to add our character. So the image that you downloaded, you have to upload it here again. Now we have our image with our influencer holding our product, and then we have the prompt ready. So for this one, I'm just going to use Kling. You can either use Kling 3.0 or you use Sedans, but I'm just going to go with Kling for this one. However, like I said, I've already created this, so this is just the process of how I did it. And then if you want, you need to turn on the sound. So what so she can speak and say what is in these particular prompts here, right? And then next step is to select the aspect ratio. Obviously is 9:16, and then you can do 1080p. If you want to have a longer duration, you can extend this. And then if you want, you can do multiple variations, but for me, I did just 2 variations. So this is the result that I got from it.
Okay, so I've been using Claria for like 2 weeks now, and my skin has never looked this even. The glow is actually real.
So the next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to create a video like this using the UGC ad video section. So right here under the UGC ad video section, I tried a different character, which is this. I tried multiple characters actually, but this is the one that came out. But this is the one that came out well. So what I did was, after creating my character, as I showed you earlier, you have to come here and upload product reference. And then the next thing here is to add your influencer. So this is the influencer I used. And put your voiceover. So if you have an existing voiceover, you can just click on create your sound, and then you can upload your audio or you can record directly here. But for me, we're just going to be using a voice here. So UGCVideo.ai has many voices here. And then, you can just search and pick a voice that suits your character.
I always hated body lotions. They just felt so sticky. But this Claria lotion, this has honestly become my favorite part of my morning. It sinks in so fast and my skin just feels calmer. No greasy feeling, just a perfect dewy glow. You seriously need this in your routine.
And if you want to create multiple videos without any interruption, you can check out UGCVideo.ai Pro plan. So that'll be it for the video, guys. Feel free to drop a comment. I would love to hear what you think about this particular tool. Make sure you like this video, share it with anybody that might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos like this. So take care. See you in the next one.